Yeah, Bill Henshaw here again, Constitutional Crisis Channel, current events, and this has to do with the immigration business and the executive orders of Trump. And as many of you may know, that's currently pending in the Ninth Circuit. And I looked at that and I saw an article in a local San Francisco paper, and I said to myself, wait a minute, this is the state of Washington petitioning for relief. Now, there's some question in my mind whether they have status and standing, and that issue, in fact, was before the Ninth Circuit during oral argument. But if you're the state of Washington, don't you read the Constitution for the United States, Article 3, Section 2, where it says that in all cases in which a state is a party, the Supreme Court shall have original jurisdiction? You don't know this? Why the hell didn't you file there right away? Now, the case may get there anyway, but coming up on the appellate side is a much different animal than it is going on the original side. Trust me. You'd much rather be there in that manner than you would on the appellate side, where Congress can pass laws and take the jurisdiction away. The key case here is Parte McCardle, 7 Law 506, 1871, where the Congress did just that and prevented the court from issuing its ruling already made that the Reconstruction Act was unconstitutional. That said, I'm wondering whether this Purcell, who is arguing the case for the state of Washington, do they realize what I've been saying all along, and that my record establishes that there are no states? And if they filed a claim in the Supreme Court attempting to do that and file as a state, would the de facto national government really make the argument that Washington was not a state but a territory and hence lacked standing to come into the Supreme Court? I'd love to have an answer to that one. I mean, that's amazing. And another quickie here is not directly related, but what I'm doing myself in attempting to file in the local court in the concurrent jurisdiction of a federal circuit court. If that gets denied, in addition to somebody going to jail, and maybe more than one somebody, now there are no quote-unquote remedies in the state system to exhaust. Therefore, I go directly to the Supreme Court of the United States. Don't pass go, don't collect $200. It goes right straight there, and you ask them to tell you why that jurisdiction doesn't exist. And I don't think even Elena, Ruth, and Sonia could come close to being able to tell you and answering that question. That's a big deal. If I get that one question answered, I will have done my job, and I'll turn the reins over to the rest of you who can follow easily. Thank you.